If you've lost it on your kids recently, this is for you. My name's Lindsay. I'm a child therapist and mindful motherhood educator, and I'm one half of Mindful's Mother. The other night, I had a real rough parenting night. My husband's been out of town over a week, and everyone's nervous system, because of that, is on edge. The schedule's been a little bit different, and my kids haven't gotten as much wind down time at night because I get off work for my private practice around 7 on some nights, and then I have to come home and still do the wind down and bedtime routine. That's just setting the stage for why this likely happened. So I pick my kids up and get home. I'm exhausted. My daughter's exhausted, and she's just having a real hard time. She had a real hard day at grandma's, and I know why, but I'm also having a hard time. So we're getting ready for bed, and she wanted to stay up, and I told her that she couldn't, and she yelled at me multiple times, begging, whining, crying. So eventually I lost it, and I yelled back. She yelled louder, I yelled louder. She hit me. She cried. I cried. I apologized. She apologized. And then I snuggled her to sleep. After she fell asleep, I was still pretty activated to the point of I couldn't do my normal wind down routine. And I was shame spiraling about how I'm the worst mom in the world and I'm going to fuck these kids up. And so I made myself some nachos, scrolled, binge watched some TV, and really just felt sorry for myself because I'm such a shitty mom. Yes, this even happens to child therapists. It does, I promise you. If you're going through this right now, listen up. Girl, finish your nachos, turn the devices off, get in bed, because even though you messed up and you're human, you repaired the rupture that came from your nervous system dysregulation, your child's nervous system dysregulation. You repaired that. And you taught your child that you're not perfect and you can say sorry, meaning they don't have to be perfect in the future. And tomorrow's a new day, baby. Tomorrow is a new day. This parenting journey is not perfect. We're all in this together. And the most important thing that our kids see is that we're trying, that we love them, and that we're going to own up to our mistakes. Love ya.